Yeah, a couple of birds are out. They're not making a whole lot of noise today for some reason. There was probably about 6 or so of them yesterday coming over here to eat. But yeah, they're starting to tweet a little bit here now. I can hear one over in the other tree. This one here keeps on coming back to have a meal. But there's a few of them out here. I don't know, they'll come out when I'm here, but when my son's here, they don't seem to want to come out. Seen a couple blue jays here the other day. Yesterday, I guess it was. A couple big blue jays. They didn't come over. I kind of spooked them, I guess. They're a good size. But I don't know. Here he comes again. It's turning fall, so they usually come around to look for food there before winter, so I usually throw some food out for them in the spring and the winter. Well, it's fall, I guess. Give them an easy meal. Anyway, I was kind of hoping there'd be a lot more bird sounds today. They're not really as active. It's overcast, maybe that's why. They might be just keeping cover. Cheers.